From mere playthings to sophisticated tools of the future, drone technology has taken flight in an extraordinary way. In a short span of time, drones have evolved from simple, remote-controlled devices to advanced machines, capable of capturing high-resolution images and videos from dizzying heights. These flying marvels have revolutionized fields like photography and videography, offering perspectives that were once impossible to achieve. In agriculture, drones are making a big impact, helping farmers monitor crop health and improve yields. They're even playing a vital role in surveillance, providing a bird's-eye view for security operations. Now, drones are not just flying objects. They are smart, reliable, and packed with advanced features. In a market full of drones, picking the best can be an uphill task. But here's a quick rundown of the top 5. Let's start with the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, a favorite among enthusiasts for its advanced features like obstacle avoidance and high-resolution video capture. Then there's the Exo Scout, perfect for beginners with its easy operation and crash avoidance sensors. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a compact, lightweight drone with a long flight time and 4K video capture. The DJI Air 3 is an affordable option that doesn't skimp on advanced features. And finally, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic, known for its powerful photo and video capture capabilities. These drones have carved their niche in the market due to their superior features and performance. Let's delve deeper into what sets these drones apart. First, we have the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, a dream for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its triple camera system, high-resolution video and image capture, and advanced features such as obstacle avoidance and subject tracking truly make it stand out. Then we have the Exo Scout, a perfect pick for beginners. With its easy operation, auto takeoffs and landings, and internal sensors to avoid crashes, it's like having a drone driving school in the palm of your hand. Next, there's the DJI Mini 3 Pro. This compact and lightweight drone doesn't compromise on capabilities, offering a long flight time and range, 4K video capture, and even strong wind resistance. For those on a budget, the DJI Air 3 offers a balance of affordability and advanced features. It's equipped with obstacle sensing and waypoint planning, making it a value-packed option. Finally, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. This drone brings powerful photo and video capture capabilities, GPS navigation, and a burst shooting mode, all in one sleek package. Each drone has its strengths and weaknesses, catering to different user needs and budgets. Ultimately, the choice of a drone depends on what you value the most. If you're a professional, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro with its high-resolution video and advanced features might be your pick. For those just starting out, the user-friendly Exo Scout is a great option. If portability is your priority, consider the compact DJI Mini 3 Pro. For a balance of affordability and advanced features, the DJI Air 3 might be your best bet. But if you're all about the visuals, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic's powerful photo and video capabilities won't disappoint. Remember, the best drone is the one that fits your needs the best. Ready to take to the skies with your chosen drone? Imagine the possibilities. Whether you're a novice pilot with the Exo Scout's easy operation or a professional capturing high-resolution footage with the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, there's a drone that's tailored just for you. Maybe you're after the compact convenience of the DJI Mini 3 Pro or the cost-effective yet feature-packed DJI Air 3. Remember, each drone comes with its unique features designed to enhance your flying experience, so why wait? Check out the link in the description to buy your perfect drone today. Happy flying!